Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for May 27, no, to May the 31st. So Capricorn, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po tayo dong kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, Capricorn, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, sa kabilang channel din po yon. And kung wala po kayong time, no, na sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po sa comment section sa YouTube, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no, by all means po, drop your question. Pero kung feeling nyo, no, hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na tanong, meron po tayong form, no, dito po sa description box ng video na ito. Meron po dong link, no. All you just have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website. Now, nandun po yung form. Good for 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4+1. So take advantage of it. And kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, the details is in the description box. So, may jumper na, Capricorn. Ating simulan, and I want you to know that this reading is general. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Capricorn, feeling ko kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa, kahit merong separations dito, no? Nagbabalitaan kayo no? Either nagmamarites kayo sa isa't isa. Either this is separation dahil mayroong away, or separation because of kailangan, no? For example, trabaho, no? Bukod sa tinatanong mo yung person mo, tinatanong mo rin yung ibang tao. There are other people involved in here. Asking your person. I feel like both parties are asking questions with their partners. I can say still a partner kahit merong away, kahit gaano katagal. Kasi from what I'm seeing, ang naging problema lang dito is yung distance. Pero kung titignan naman natin, hindi naman talaga nawala, no? Itong care, hindi rin naman talaga nawala itong sabihin nating concern, no? Sa isang tao. And I feel like with the Chariot, kung trabaho ito, yung because of the separation, I think that matatapos na yung contract, babalik siya at magpapakita ulit with the justice card, no? Pero kung feeling ko naman, I mean, kung ito yung away, I feel like babalik ito with the justice card and the three of swords na hindi ko nagagawin, may mga pangakong hindi ko nagagawin yung mga ginawa ko dati. Hindi na kita iiwan. Let's clarify the 3 of Swords with the 7 of Swords and the 6 of Swords. Napakadaming swords, napakadaming sakit, napakadaming, parang one of the reason bakit kayo nag-separate, kung hindi naman ito sa trabaho at away ito, is because of either infidelity or concubinage, no? O sabihin natin nakipaglandian for those who are not really in a marriage status, no? So, merong third party, kumbaga, no? So, iniwan niya na. And I feel like there is really a competition in here with the 5 of Wands. So, the Daughter of Wands, in here, I feel like your person is going to initiate, no, this contact. So, siya ang magsisimula, no, ng pag-uusap ninyong muli. With the 7 of Pentacles, the 4 of Cups, and the Magician, I feel like humihingi lang yung person mo ng sign, no, na for you to kind of give them the green flag or the green light para maka-approach sila sa'yo kasi feeling nila galit ka pa with the Hermit and the Sun. So parang wini-wish nila or pinipray nila na sana meron ng enlightenment, sana this time tanggapin ako kung na-reject ako. the last time, no? At sana this time magkaayos na kami kasi ang nakikita ko dito sising-sisi na siya kung bakit siya umalis or bakit kanya iniwan, no? So, this is your reading for now, Capricorn. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign, no? Kung this really resonates with you. Ang zodiac sign dito can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Virgo, I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Cancer, Libra, Sagittarius, Leo, I am seeing, yeah, Taurus. Yeah, so this is your reading. Capricorn, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below. Kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Drop your question as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And again, meron po tayong question form, no, sa description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my page. Type in your question, click submit. And if you want to avail my private reading, nandun din po yun sa description box. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na reading, Capricorn. Goodbye.